I'm Joseph Brooks, and this is Lawyer in the Kitchen. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make Steak Diane, which is a dish I actually invented.
You did?
No.
Yeah.
And you can't figure out who invented it. Some people say it was invented in London, some people say in Chicago, some in Bulgaria, in Belgium, Italy. The only thing that's somewhat agreed to is it was approximately invented in the 1930s, and it was a dish that was cooked tableside, which is what was so novel. This is actually considered a retro dish now. And it's named after whom?
Diane?
It's named after Diane. Actually, that's not even agreed to. Whether it's Diana or Diane, one thing, most people say it was a Greek goddess named Diane or Diana. That's the best we can do. It'll have beef, carrots, shallots, garlic. Not everybody puts celery in this, but I kind of do. I also have the mushrooms. The main thing that you need to really, the flavor that really makes it, is the Grey Poupon, the beef broth, and the cream at the end. And of course, you must deglaze the pan with a little flambe and set it on fire.
We like it on fire.
On fire.
Why did we take Diane's steak from her? Why is it Diane's steak?
Maybe they burned her at the stake or something.
Stop! Oh, that's awful.
I thought that was pretty good, really.
That's awful.
All right, we're going to continue. All right, so you're going to cut. You're actually going to cut up the vegetables for me,
I'm
right?
going to cut up the vegetables.
Let's do it. Let's see it.
Cutting is what I love to do.
You know, this
Vegetables.
is. I think so.
You think?
Yeah, and that's
So-
going to be plenty right there, I think. Yeah, we'll just cut them up. When we cook these, we're not going to cook them real done. We want to have them with a little bit of texture.
So they have a little bit of crunch to them?
Just a little bit of crunch, yeah. We're going to put those in near the end.
Every chef on the planet is cringing right now watching me cut this
Nah,
stuff.
they'll only cringe if you draw blood.
Well, there's a possibility.
Well, it's possible. Well, everybody does that. Who hasn't cut themselves cooking?
Great shallots. I've never seen better shallots.
Nah, they're excellent shallots.
They're excellent
And
shallots.
you can slice them that way, or you can slice them lengthwise. Some people do that, and they're good that way as well.
Butter.
Season these steaks with just salt and pepper. But generously, and some fresh pepper. And as you can see, we're only going to be able to put, we're going to get the third one in there. So we'll have to wait, that's going to take a little longer. Okay, so we solved our problem with the not having enough pan room, so just adding another pan. We got our potatoes on, and they'll be done at about the same time. So we don't want to overcook these, and we don't want to cook them completely at this point. So we'll set these aside. And now it's time for some flambe. My favorite part. We're going to go ahead and turn this on. Yeah. Beef stock. And a little bit more of this. Add our vegetables. That's just pure flavor right there. Now we're going to add the Dijon mustard, and this, I think, Great Poupon is probably the best. And about 2 tablespoons, but this is something you just got to taste. Oh yeah, that's good. I think they're much better like this.
As opposed to
using a blender. Okay, I'll go ahead and put a little bit of cream in now. It's open, ready for you to do it. All right, so this one's cooked, hopefully, yeah, barely. All right. Yeah, look at that. That's perfect.
The way you like
that
it.
is perfect. Yeah, all right. Let's just try this here. A little bit of potatoes. That's good.
Is it good?
It's good.
Yeah.
Want a bite?
No.
Okay. Hope everybody likes it. Steak Diane.